5 best apps to buy Bitcoin in Canada. If you're in Canada and thinking about buying Bitcoin, you need to know this. The app you choose matters more than you think. Some are super easy to use, others offer better prices, a few give you total control over your crypto, but only a handful truly stand out in all the right ways. In this ranking, we're gonna break down the 5 best apps to buy Bitcoin in Canada based on trust, fees, security, and real user experience. We've tested the options, we've read the feedback, and the number 1 app is probably not the one you're expecting. Let's get started. Number 5. ShakePay. ShakePay is one of the most popular crypto apps made in Canada, and it's especially good for beginners. Why? Buy and sell Bitcoin and Ethereum instantly. No trading fees, just a small spread on the price. Free e-transfers and bank withdrawals. Fully registered with Interac in Canada. People love how fast and easy it is to go from Canadian dollars to Bitcoin. The interface is clean, the identity check takes minutes, and your funds stay within the country. It doesn't offer advanced tools or a wide selection of coins, but for simplicity and speed, ShakePay is a great place to start, and what comes next gives you even more control. Number 4. Newton. Newton is another Canadian app that's growing fast and with good reason. It offers better pricing than many of its local competitors while keeping the user experience smooth and modern. What makes it stand out? Tight spreads and no commission fees. Supports Bitcoin and dozens of other coins. Clean, intuitive app for mobile and desktop. Fully regulated and insured custody. Users highlight how easy it is to fund your account with Interac and how transparent the fees are. Plus, you can withdraw your crypto to your own wallet, which isn't always the case with Canadian platforms. If you want low-cost buying without the complexity of global exchanges, Newton is a strong choice. Number 3. Wealthsimple Crypto. Wealthsimple is a well-known name in Canada, and their crypto app is now a serious option for Bitcoin buyers. It's designed for people who already use Wealthsimple for investing or savings, but want to add Bitcoin into the mix. Here's what you get. Buy Bitcoin in seconds from your phone. Backed by Canadian regulation and trusted institutions. Assets are held securely by Gemini, a US-regulated custodian, integrated with your broader Wealthsimple portfolio. Now, it doesn't allow withdrawals to private wallets. That's something to consider. But users love how simple and safe it feels, especially if they're new to crypto and prefer to stay with a single financial platform. And for those who want even more control and lower fees, the next app is a big step forward. Number 2. Kraken. Kraken is one of the longest running crypto platforms, and it's available to Canadians with full support. If you're looking for something more advanced, with tighter pricing and deeper tools, Kraken is hard to beat. Why it's so trusted? Competitive trading fees, especially with limit orders. Full access to Bitcoin and over 100 cryptocurrencies. Wallet withdrawals and support for cold storage. Regulated and battle-tested security infrastructure. The Kraken mobile app is fast, simple, and designed for all levels. And if you ever want more features, you can switch to Kraken Pro, no extra cost. Canadian users appreciate the mix of power and simplicity. But if you want the most complete investing experience available right now, wait until you hear this. Number 1. Interactive Brokers. At the top of this ranking is Interactive Brokers, and yes, they now offer direct access to Bitcoin in Canada. Why is it number 1? Because it's the only app that gives you serious crypto access while also offering stocks, ETFs, bonds, and global markets all from one place. Here's what makes it unbeatable. Buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more directly from the IBKR Global Trader app. Extremely low trading fees and tight spreads. Regulated in Canada and internationally. Link your crypto with your full investment portfolio. Professional grade tools with beginner-friendly access. Whether you're a casual investor or managing serious capital, Interactive Brokers gives you unmatched flexibility. You can fund your account in Canadian dollars, trade in multiple currencies, and hold crypto securely, all within a single, fully regulated platform. And real users say the same thing. Once you try it, you won't want to go back. If you're looking for long-term access to Bitcoin with full control and low costs, Interactive Brokers is the best app available in Canada right now. Remember that you have the links to the apps mentioned in the description and in the first pinned comment listed in order. And remember, this video is for information and opinion only. It is not investment advice. If you need personalized help, always speak with a qualified expert. If this ranking helped you make a decision, go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe if you want more videos like this focused on clarity, trust, and tools that help you grow your money smarter. And don't forget to check the description. You'll find trusted services and platforms that can save you time and help you invest with confidence.